Hi everyone, this is Gleeza, Made with Glee. I am super excited about this video. I was given the opportunity to review this 5D diamond painting from a company called Victoria's Moon, for my honest review of course, and I am a diamond painter. I've done a few of them. I have one in progress, a really big one that I bought from AliExpress a while ago, so I was very excited to compare and check this out. So it comes in this really sturdy cardboard box. Of course it's wrapped in plastic packaging, and it took, I don't know, between 7 and 10 days. I didn't really keep track because they sent me a tracking number, so I knew when to expect it. And to me it came so much faster than when I ordered stuff from AliExpress. And the stuff I've gotten from AliExpress and those other sites have come in like just plastic wrapping tube, no box to protect it. It was like all flat and rolled up. So I was very impressed with the packaging, first of all. Now, they picked the size for me. I told them send me whatever size they wanted and whatever type of drills, round or square. I've done mainly the round ones, but look, they sent me a 50 by 70 centimeters. This is huge. Oh my gosh, I am so excited to do this. Now, this is everything that comes in. You have your, I don't know, this is a new tool to me. I guess this is for like moving and picking up spots, but it's like a really fancy, glittery pen. I've never used one of these, so I'm definitely excited about trying to use this on this project. But I was very impressed, first of all, because it came in a case, and look at it, it's all fancy. I don't know, do you use that end for sticking your diamond paintings? I'm so familiar with the other little plastic ones, but it has a pointy end so that you could move and set your stones, your little drills properly if you misplace them. Also in the package, you have the regular tools. Now these are the things I'm very familiar with, and it comes all nicely ziploc. Let's see, in here we have the regular pen that you normally get with your diamond painting kits, and I like this one because it has a little comfort grip on there. Here we also have the tray, and I like this one because it has the slot so you can pour it back into the bag. They also sent a pair of tweezers. Now that was another pleasant surprise because my other kits didn't have tweezers, and of course the gum tacky paste that they sent. Now look at the drills. Oh my god, look at all these colors. I'm so excited about this. You guys have to, I can't wait. I can't wait to get started. I'm gonna stop doing half of my projects because I'm addicted to diamond painting. When you start it, you can't stop. So, of course, also there is a sheet with all of the DMC color codes plus the code sheet for the actual diamond painting. Now, again, look at how big this is, guys. And there you can see what it is that I chose. Yes, I chose a 4 seasons tree because 1, I like trees, and 2, I'm about the seasonal decorating, and I think this would be beautiful and then have other seasonal decor all around it. So that's what I picked. And as you can see, there is also the color chart also printed on your actual canvas. Now, when I got it, the first thing I did, I had to go through, there's 35 colors that's included in my kit, and I got this particular set to organize my diamond painting from Amazon, but the company Victoria's Moon also sells this, and the price is pretty comparable to what I paid on Amazon for my little plastic tray sorting kit. Now you can use other things, and I'm gonna tell you guys right off the bat that if you're gonna do diamond painting, I highly recommend some sort of organization system. It's the best way to go, easiest. Now I'm sorting all of my colors just to make sure I have all 35 colors, and yes I do, and they're very different sizes of packaging of how much is in each color. So I think they did a pretty good job with this packaging of their drills. Now I'm going to show you a little bit later what some of my other kits look like, but I absolutely love that it's in resealable bags. So I'm gonna go through all the 35 colors, and I'm gonna fill as much of my containers as I can, numbered, and then leave the extra ones, just in the bag itself, so when I need to refill, I can. But whatever I can empty completely into a container, I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. So this is probably one of the hardest parts of your process if you're going to do diamond painting, is setting up and organizing your drills. You can use them straight out of the Ziploc bags, and this is what I like about their kit compared to others. The others that I've had, I always have to use some sort of my own organization. I have to go buy my own Ziplocs or my own containers and come up with my own organization system. The fact that they come in reclosable Ziplocs is perfect, because it's just easy to just grab a bag, pour out some, and then pour it right back into the bag. And I love that it has both the DMC number on there, plus the code for your package. Now here's a kit that, like I said, I do diamond painting, and I've had to do this myself, and I had to go out and buy Ziploc bags and number them myself and open each and every package and do it, because look, this is how they sent it. It comes in like these little individual plastic packaging, and once you open one, you pretty much are, you have to have something to put it in. If not, it's gonna go all over the place and get mixed up with your other stuff. So right off the bat, Victoria's Moon, I'm gonna give them A+ on their packaging. Now this is the glue that came with my other kit. It's half the size of the glue that they sent me. So again, another plus is because Victoria Moon gave us double the size of what I normally get in my diamond painting kits. So just based off of the supplies alone, I was super impressed with Victoria Moon. And then here's the other, the pen. Victoria's Moon's pen has the little grip, while the other one didn't. They also sent me tweezers and this fancy tool, while the other one only came with that little plastic pink pen that you get with your diamond painting kits. So very, very impressed with Victoria's Moon's packaging and how they labeled, and the fact that they have reclosable bags, and all the tools that they sent in the kit, and also the fact that they included a printout sheet of the color chart, and you don't have to rely only on the color sheet of the that's on the actual canvas. And now pretty much, just because when I get a new thing, I have to open it and get started, because that's the joy of creating for me. I love starting things. I may not finish all of them, but I absolutely love starting them. So this is if you've never done diamond painting, I highly recommend it. If you've been looking at my cross stitch and you've been interested in cross stitch and you're just not sure how long it'll take you to finish something, this is half the time to do than a cross stitch, because a cross stitch you have to go down with your needle and then come up with your needle to make a little X. This is just simply picking up a stone and sticking it onto to its location, its corresponding location. Now this is the very first time that I'm using square drills. I've used the round ones before, and I've done partial diamond painting kits. So if you are a beginner, a first timer, I definitely recommend trying the round drills. You don't have to be perfectly in line. It just all fits in nice and easy for a first timer. And of course, if you're going to be doing this for the first time, I highly recommend getting a much smaller size than a 50 by 70. Now, Victoria's Moon has been very, very kind to me by sending me this kit, and they've also given me a coupon code for you guys that if you want to try this, you can get 10% off one of their kits. So I'm going to link below in my description box the coupon code and their website. Please do check them out. They're an awesome, they have an awesome selection of diamond painting kits. Everything from just from kids stuff to seasonal, great patterns. And I am seriously considering getting something for Christmas. So I might choose a Christmas pattern and work on it during the holidays. I probably won't be done with it for the holidays, but I just absolutely love their Christmas patterns that they have. And if you guys are looking for Christmas gift ideas for your crafty friends and family members, if you have a young teen, preteen, I think girls and boys would absolutely love doing this. It's a great activity to do by yourself. I am addicted to diamond painting. It's very similar to cross stitch, except it takes me half the time to get it done. So thank you guys so much, Victoria's Moons, for sending me this kit. I absolutely love it. I can't wait to really put a full effort on here. I'm showing you guys, I'm just doing like maybe 45 minutes of diamond painting, and I speeded it up for you and what I accomplished in 45 minutes. But as soon as I have finished a couple other little projects, I will be tackling this full time. I absolutely love the design and can't wait to see it completed and up on my wall. So again, the link to Victoria's Moon website will be in the description box below, as well as that coupon code. Please do take advantage of it. And thank you guys for watching, liking, subscribing. I'll be back later on with more videos. I will show you my diamond paintings that I have finished and the one that I'm currently working on, just so you can get an idea of comparison of the square drills versus the round drills, and you can see. But again, first timers, please go for a smaller size. This 50 by 70 is a little bit intimidating. It is one of the biggest diamond paintings I've ever done, but I can't wait to tackle this thing. So again, thank you guys for watching so much and for supporting the channel. Look forward to hearing from you. Bye. Have a wonderful day, everyone.